Khonto wesizwe. Hey, comrades, friends, patriot, the time has come. The time is now. And now is a manifesto launch of the MK. On the 18th of May, 2024, in Orlando Stadium. What a great news it is, eh? Ake abantu ke sibazwise lento ethi MK can organize itself without buses, without anything. Thina si-MK sesiqonda ngqo ukuthi lento yokhetho noma lento yenhlangano ikithe egazini, asimobilizwa, siyayimobiliza. Ake sibatshengise-ke mama MK amahle. I-stadium, Orlando Stadium, in a capacity of close to 45,000, close to 60,000, and also another capacity near Orlando Stadium, a overflow of 20,000. Bengizocela ukuthi bafowethu these two stadiums siwagcwalise agcwale mfini. Yazi ukuthi mawukhuluma nge-MK khuluma ngetsunami uqobo lwayo, into eveleke ingavinjwa muntu. Ukhumo-ke usilolile uKhumalo, uJabulani Khumalo usilolile, and uJabulani Khumalo uyozafe eregreta uku-sell out, uyozafe engahlonishwa nazingane zakhe ukuthi wadayisa zabalazo womnyama wokubuyisa umhlaba. UKhumalo isho hlangana nomuntu ophela ngathi endleni uyi-sell out, and iyasihluka ezweni lize KZN ukuthi comrade uyenza ama-shiwe onukekayo lento yobuphupeni kuphela uJet. Yazi lento angazi ukuthi yini le yenziwa uJZ kumkhize. Umkhize ubuka very aggressive to umsholozi. Bathi-ke siyabonga-ke bafowethu ukuthi at last, that's a good news that ever we had ukuthi sigcine. Ngiyabonga futhi ukuthi as religious sector sikwazi ukuthi siqale ngani nge-national prayer launch, ke sizondlalela uNkulunkulu sithi God's first bese kuba i-MK. Ingakho i-MK ingeke ihlulwe inombani, ingakho i-MK ingeke ijivazwe noma imuphi umuntu, because we know what we stand for. And thina on the ground siyawushintsha u-2/3 majority sokuba u-3rd majority ngenxa nje yalezi zinto ze-media. And ngiyafuna ukunixwayisa ama-comrade, i-media ayisithandi. Yabona kade ngibuka nje namhlanje njalo makukhishwa ekhetho asikhishwa thina njengabantu abakhankasayo, but sikhishwa ngenxa yey'nkinga esibhekana nazo MK. And ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi akugcina lapho ma-comrade, inhlangano ezowina umhlaba wonke, ngoba i-MK izobe ingawineli i-South Africa, iwinela umhlaba wonke ne-Afrika yonke. Umhlaba kuyinto encane, ingakho ubona zonke inhlangano lezi sezisihlanganyela, sezisodwa thina sezisihlanganyela zonke, ngisho ezo-Oppenheimer sezinesibindi iphumela obala ukuthi bese zithi thina sishaya ngebrand yomhlaba kodwa sithi asixhasiwe, kodwa futhi-ke thina sishaya nangamavivo kodwa sithi asixhasiwe. Lalelani ka-MK siyazenzela. This is our party. Umongameli wethu uNxamalala uyasihola kodwa akana stress se-budget ngaphandle ukuthi thina in our pocket sithi this is our party. We contribute in order to win this upcoming local government, this is upcoming national government election. So, my comrade, JZ, Bafo, qina JZ, qina. Thina sinawe. We will never betray you, and we will never allow anybody to come near you. Either uzokubulala ngemoto, there is prayer that is with you. If uzokubulala ngesibhamu, there is prayer that is that is in you. Even uzokubulala ngoshevu, there is prayer that is in you. Even uzokubulala nangani acabanga ukuthi angakubulala ngayo, there is prayer in you. No one can kill you. You must be confident with that. Akekho yokubulala JZ. Uma futhi eyoba namandla uyama kuyoba yena afiki kuwe. Into esishoyo thina ma-comrade asibambe. This is the time where we must grow up and go to the ground and stop fighting for anything engasisi indawo. Akusisi indawo ukuthi nilwele inkundla, akusisi indawo ukuthi ni-infiltrated, akusisi indawo ukuthi yabona nje, I'm very worried with the Eastern Cape. Eastern Cape uMabuyane uyena of infiltrate i-MK e-Eastern Cape. Bonke laba bantu aba-infiltrated abafakwe kwi-MK yibo laba abavimbayo e-Eastern Cape. But i-Eastern Cape on the ground icula i-MK. Sizowina, nizobona. Noma anganivimba uMabuyane noma ningeza nifake ikipa ze-MK, but nibe niyipisi eyizobulala i-MK. But I want to tell you ukuthi MK is going to win in the Eastern Cape, in KZN, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Northwest, Limpopo. Sizowina thina. I don't think ukuthi khona umuntu who can stop this. Abefundisi bonke, they are behind us. Laba aba-progressive who understand ukuthi sicolonizwe nangenkolo thina. Sacolonize, satshela ukuthi siyodla okuhle ezulwini hayi la emhlabeni. But thina sithi sokudla la. And namakhosi umhlaba uyabuya. Siyabonga. Students, free education, compulsory, decolonized, and 1 year military training. Amandla.